Is it on? Is it?
Yes.
Oh! Okay, this is how to dress your dog. First, select a dog. This one's name is Pepper! Hey, Peppy! Okay, then select a clothing item. We have 3 items I'm going to put on the dog. Pepper, yes. Okay, first I shall put on the shirt. No, Peppy, don't run! Okay. First, slip it over the head. Put one foot in. One paw in. Put the other paw in. It's okay, Peppy. You don't have to get scared. Don't eat me! And then pull over to make fit. Pick up your dog and show it off. Woo!
Pick it up. Let's show it off.
Oh, yeah. Shaw.
Please help.
Then undress the dog.
Okay.
First, you take one foot out, then the other foot. Come on, Peppy. It's okay. And then slip out of the head hole. Then, what is this thing called?
I don't know, bandana.
A bandana. Well, not a bandana. A handkerchief. You take it, slip it around the dog's neck. Make sure it fits perfectly. Like so. Then show off your dog. Oh yeah, the bow. It's beautiful. Then slip off of dog. Then for a jacket, same
This is a
thing.
damn shame what y'all doing to my dog.
Same thing applies to the shirt, except for it has a hood. You have to select a dog. Bring the thing, open it up, jacket, put it on there,
Oh God, here we go.
slip through head, it's okay, Peppy, put one arm in, poor dog, put one arm in, it's okay,
my dog.
put other arm in,
Oh my God, hold on, freeze right there for a second. You killed her.
okay, and then pick up dog, and make sure it fits,
This isn't fair, little book.
take it off,
It's
take
called-
off the hood,
How about me? What's called?
oh, poor little
Okay.
paw, and show off your dog. Wonderful, yeah.
Fabulous.
Good. Peppy doesn't like this.
To the
That is
hood.
how to dress your dog.
She doesn't like it.
Good girl.
Okay, I gotta see the video.